Powder Metallurgy Manufacturing Process presented by Dina Milania, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Sempurna University. The presentation outline: the first is introduction, which consists of definition and working principle of the powder metallurgy. The second is the process of powder metallurgy. The third is the application of the powder metallurgy in industry. And the fourth is the pros and cons, or the advantages and limitations of the powder metallurgy. Then, what is powder metallurgy? According to the definition, powder metallurgy, or PM, is the production and utilization of metal powders in manufacturing process. In addition, powders are defined as the particles that are usually less than 1000 nanometer or 1 millimeter in size. Most of the metal particles used in powder metallurgy are in the range of 5 to 200 millimeters. And this is the process of the powder metallurgy in a brief. And the working principle of the powder metallurgy is a metal forming process performed by heating compacted metal powders to just their below melting points and pressurize it to be compacted and sintered so that the finished product is appear. Then let's talk about the powder metallurgy process. The first is powder preparation. This is the first and basic step for producing any object by powder metallurgy process. In addition, any materials can be converted into powder. Basically, there are various processes of producing powder, such as atomization, grinding, chemical reaction, electrolysis, and etc. The second is mixing or blending. This process ensures evenly distribution of powder with the additives, binders, and etc. And sometimes lubricants also added in the blending process to improve the flow characteristic of the powder. Then the third is compacting. Compacting means compress the prepared powders mixture into predefined dyes. This step ensures to reduce voids and increase the density of the product. The product is compacted into the mold by the application of pressure from form a product which is called green compact. The pressure is about 80 to 1060 MPa. Then the last is sintering. This step involves heating of green compact from the compacting process at an elevated temperature, which ensures a permanent strong bond between adjacent particles. This process provides strength to green compact and converts it into a final product. It can be seen that this is the particle looks like from the green compact to the final product. So the grain boundaries is sintered and it is more compacted from the previous green compact. And yeah, this is the final product of the powder metallurgy process. The application of powder metallurgy. For the first is biomaterials or bio-inspired materials, and the second is main bearing. Most of an automotive bearing is made by powder metallurgy process, and the third is light bulb tungsten because the powder metallurgy enables the processing of materials with very high melting point, and the fourth is gears. The powder metallurgy has been implemented for various of gears due to its strength properties. Well, basically there are a lot of more application of powder metallurgy that cannot be mentioned in this chapter. Then the last chapter is the advantages and disadvantages of powder metallurgy. For the advantages, first, the composition of the product can be controlled effectively. The second is simple process, so highly skilled labor is not required. The third is composition structure and properties can be controlled easily. The fourth is a wide range of parts with special electrical and magnetic properties can be produced. And the last is parts have excellent finish and high dimensional accuracy. Meanwhile, for the disadvantages, the first is the high initial cost of metal powder. The second is the size of the part produced is limited due to the large presses are needed to get required compressing pressure. The third is the equipment used for the operation is costly. The fourth is the difficulty of sintering low melting powder, and the last is the part produced have poor ductility. Thank you for watching.